Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this trending hangover video from TikTok. It's simple tutorial, just carefully follow my steps. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial. First, go on TikTok app on your mobile. Then, click on Discover button on the bottom of the screen. Now when you come on this, go on search and type the hangover meme CapCut. Now, go on any video you see this for man. After that, you need to click on this Try this template in CapCut. Next, tap on this Use template in CapCut. Now, TikTok show you this trend, and you need to click on Use template. So when you click on that, TikTok will send you on your gallery, and now you need to select your photos for this trend. You can select any photo or short video from your gallery. And, when you finish this step, just simple tap on preview. You can edit photo you add and so on. Then go to export. Now, you can export without watermark and basic export. And you are finished. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.